Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can disable your PIN in Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Signal app on your phone. After you do this, go ahead and click on your profile, which you see on the top left hand corner of your screen. Then click on Account. The next thing you want to do is go to Advanced PIN Settings. After you go there, you can see Disable PIN. If you want to disable the PIN, you will lose all of the data and you will have to re-register the Signal app unless you manually back up and restore all of your files. You cannot turn on a registration lock while the PIN is disabled. So if your registration lock is turned on right now, you can see that this will tell you that the registration lock is turned on. So you can see that this has been told. Just go ahead and tap on OK. Go back and turn off your registration lock. Go back to Advanced PIN Settings, and then if you really want to disable your PIN, go ahead and tap on Disable PIN and click on this once again. And your PIN will finally be disabled. But if you want to enable your PIN again, you should tap on Enable PIN and you should create your PIN. Click Next and confirm your PIN once again. And you have now enabled the lock and PIN once again. I hope this video about how you can disable or enable the PIN in Signal Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.